The next feature that sets the AUTO10 apart is its powerful motor. The 240 watt motor allows you to run the juicer continuously for 45 minutes. Other hands-free juicers have a maximum recommended runtime of only 30 minutes and typically only have 200 watts or less power of motors. With more power comes more chopping and crushing force on hard-to-juice items like beets, carrots, ginger, greens, and celery. Inside the hopper, there's a rotating cutter that spins slowly to chop the ingredients and then feeds them into the juicing bowl where they are crushed and separated into juice and pulp. Once you load the hopper, you close the lid and flip on the switch, the juicer takes care of the rest. As a safety feature, the juicer will not run when the hopper lid is open, so this is definitely a child-friendly juicer if you have little ones that like to help out with the juicing process. Anytime I test out a new juicer, I juice lots of the hardest ingredients like beets, carrots, ginger, greens, and celery to see how it performs. I check out how the motor responds. Does it bog down or stall with hard roots? Does it back up with soft fruits like pineapple? Or does the pulp outlet chute clog with celery, ginger, or other fibrous greens? Based on my testing, the AUTO10 handles all these tough ingredients incredibly well. I haven't had any motor stalls or clogging whatsoever during any of the testing that I've done, and as it runs, the AUTO10 is very quiet and on par with the noise level of a quiet dishwasher.